What if I told you laziness could be your greatest wealth-building superpower? 92% of people believe getting rich requires backbreaking work. Wrong. The truth. Billionaires aren't hustling harder. They're gaming the system. And today, I'm exposing exactly how to hack your way to wealth while keeping your Netflix binge schedule intact. Forget side hustles. Skip the 5 a.m. routines. This video reveals 1. The passive income glitch, turning 100 into 10,000 while you sleep. 2. How to automate your way to millionaire status. 0 skills required. 3. Why time, not money, is the cheat code rich people won't tell you about. Warning: this isn't motivational BS. These are mathematical wealth shortcuts used by the top 0.1%. If you're okay staying average, click away. But if you want to outsmart the grind and let money work for you, stick around. By the end, you'll never see hard work the same way again. I'm Mr. Sticks A Stocks, and I am your host for today. Everyone wants to be rich, but not everyone wants to work 16-hour days, sacrificing sleep, fun, and freedom. So, ask yourself, is there a better way to make money? Chances are, you're not the only one thinking that. The good thing is that getting rich doesn't have to mean grinding yourself into exhaustion. This video is for those who want wealth without burnout. Instead of forcing yourself into the relentless work harder mentality, we'll focus on working smarter, using passive income, automation, and strategic investing to build wealth with minimal effort. At the end of the day, time is the most valuable asset you have. The wealthy don't trade hours for dollars. They create systems where money works for them, even while they sleep. And you don't need to be a billionaire or a genius to start. You just need to know the right tricks. So you can start building wealth without grinding endlessly. Identify and leverage your strengths. Most people feel that earning riches is a matter of moiling away at things, but it isn't really how it is. You make money by working with or at what you do well or love and eliminating or automating everything else in your life. Think about it. They enjoy their jobs, so naturally, they are more productive while doing them. If such a person enforced his work upon himself, he would either procrastinate work, get burned out, or leave prematurely before results come up. Instead, discover your talents and figure out a way to exploit them. And the tasks that you dislike? Simple. You would either outsource them or automate them. Let's say you're the best writer but detest editing. Instead of spending hours making corrections to typos, you could 1. Use AI tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT to get rid of them. 2. You can hire an editor on Fiverr or Upwork to do all the work for you. It's the same with any skill, from marketing, selling to content creation. Cultivate those areas in which you have strength and delegate the rest. Create passive income streams. If you are amongst the lazy but want to be rich, then passive income is your best friend. With passive income, you will earn money even when you are not actively working. It is unlike a typical 9-to-5 job where time is traded for cash. Setting it up may take some work, but you earn passive income in your sleep once it is running. Here are some of the easiest and most effective passive income streams. Real estate. Owning rental property can lead to a continuous cash inflow without further sweat after setting it all up. Don't have enough money to buy property? Turn to REITs, real estate investment trusts, that allow you to invest in real estate without owning a physical structure or having to deal with tenants. Digital products. You sell an ebook or online course or use online templates and make multiple sales with no effort after the first one. Gumroad, Udemy, and Etsy all allow you to sell digital content very quickly. Dividend stocks. The stock market is an excellent source of passive income. In the dividend stocks approach, a company pays you only for holding a share of its stock. Investment amounts help you to make more income without involvement. Print-on-demand businesses. Sell creative t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases online. Websites such as Redbubble and Teespring print and ship your stuff while you reap the profit. But of course, this means initially putting in a bit of effort. However, once these passive income streams are underway, they barely require any more maintenance, making them ideal for lazy long-term wealth lovers. Automate tasks. How can someone get rich without working themselves to the bone? The answer lies in automation. By cutting down on tedious, time-consuming tasks, you free up more time to focus on making money with less effort. When technology takes care of the boring work, you can earn more while doing less. Here are some practical automation options for your income. Scheduling tools. They are travel relations tools like Buffers, Hootsuite, and Later that have programmed the timing of posts on social media. Just like email marketing, where you can program the sending of email through such platforms as MailChimp and ConvertKit, artificial intelligence, and business automation. There are also AIs like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva that can complement a lot of features in their websites in terms of automating content creation, copywriting, and even customer service via chatbots. For an online business, Shopify just automates ordering and managing inventory. Automated investing. Want to create wealth without paying attention to how the stock market is doing every day? Use a robo-advisor like Wealthfront or Betterment to invest your cash automatically according to your goals. Or start auto-saving with applications like Acorns or Digit, both of which invest spare coins from your daily purchases. By automating repetitive tasks, unnecessary work can be eliminated, and now you have become even more efficient with creating those income-generating systems, even while you sleep. Work smarter, not harder. Hustle culture is celebrated in society. Working long hours is painted as the only route to wealth. The truth is that hard work does not make you rich. Smart work does. Rather than grind for hours at a time, put your focus on maximizing your efforts toward high-impact actions that deliver the most outstanding results. One fantastic way to do this is to apply the 80-20 rule, which is 80% of your results come from an effort of 20%. Identify the tiny things that give you the most outstanding outcomes and give them all your energy. Then, eliminate the rest or delegate to them. For instance, as a freelancer, you wouldn't always work extra hours to earn extra money. Instead, try any of the following. 1. Increase your fees by charging more per project rather than working more. 2. Provide premium services. Clients pay more for exclusive, bespoke, and high-value work. 3. Find high-paying clients, work less, earn more, and stress even less. Maximize your workflows. Employ tools, shortcuts, and smart strategies to accomplish more with less time. Remember, wealth creation is about working smart rather than working hard. Financial literacy. Money is not everything. Most people spend their whole lives earning money without ever learning how to manage, grow, or invest it. This is why most people stay broke regardless of how much they work. Financial literacy is the one solution. It gives you power over money instead of letting money control you. Here are the 4 skills every rich person has figured out. Budgeting. Knowing how to record and manage your expenditure so that the control of your finances is always in your hands. Investment. Rather than merely saving, that is, allowing your money to keep on working through stocks, real estate, or other passive income channels. Tax strategies. Staying informed and learning to keep taxes at a minimum so that you can keep more money in your pocket. If you're serious about building wealth, these must-read books will have a major impact. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki teaches the difference between working for money and making money work for you. The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco reveals why traditional financial advice won't make you rich and what to do instead. Remember, wealth is not actually about how much you make. It is about how much you keep and how much you grow. Start your education today, and financial freedom comes easily. Set realistic goals. Want to be rich? Work long enough and stay small. Most people fail to make money because they're either not setting realistic goals or worse, not keeping track of their progress. Big-time financial success comes from these small, consistent steps taken over time. Instead of concentrating on trying to make $1 million overnight, break it down into achievable goals. 1. Save $5 a day, which is $150 per month, which you can use for investing in growth. 2. Invest $100 a month in stocks or crypto and watch the money compound over the years. 3. Have the target of building one passive income stream within the next 6 months. The how to stick to this? Monitor your progress. Keep it simple with tools like 1. Budgeting apps to track your spending versus saving. 2. Invest in apps to automate building your wealth. 3. Spreadsheets that show how you're doing financially over time. Just seeing some progress, even small amounts, can keep you motivated. The road to wealth isn't about huge jumps. It's about small, steady steps adding up over the years. Long-term wealth building. Long-term thinking is a must if you want to have riches. The most common mistake people make is spending their money on short-lived pleasures rather than investing it in the future. And the difference between the rich and the broke? While the rich buy assets, the poor buy burdens. Those things that, when bought, will suck the money out of your pocket with time. Instead of going on a shopping spree to buy the latest devices or luxury items, buy things that will make you more money. This is a list of good long-term investments. Stocks. Put your money into dividend stocks or index funds that aren't selling out and will realize gains over time. And small, steady, incremental investments could turn into millions. Real estate. Rents provide you with passive income, and properties appreciate after some time. Or buy shares of various REITs if it's not possible for you to buy property. Starting or investing in a business will lead to wealth in the long run. Even a side hustle can grow into something big. Delayed gratification is the key. You see, if you save and invest in the potential salary increases you could enjoy today, you won't have to do that, and financial freedom will be achieved in much less time than you think. If you want to be lazy and still be rich, of course, but this can only happen if you work smart. Wealth is nothing but the efficient use of one's skills, developing passive income, automating activities, adopting clever investment strategies, and not grinding day and night. And that's the beauty of the whole concept. You don't have to start everything at once. Begin small, choose one strategy, whether it's investing some amounts each month, automating your savings, or creating passive income. These small steps will also compound to real financial freedom over time. If you want to find out more about the lazy path to millions and get rich without the grind, hit the playlist, Proven Hacks Inside. Hit the subscribe button and let me know what other lazy hacks you do. Before we part ways, I have one last question for you. Who leads accountants to battle? General Ledger. This is Mr. Sticks A. Sticks signing off for now. See you next time.